Alright guys, here we are 10 weeks from Mr. Olympia, exactly 10 weeks away, Saturday night. 10 weeks from now we'll be competing here in Vegas, training at Flamingo Sandhill Gym now. Did some back training today. My weights today, sitting around 290. Really it's going to start coming down and getting more cut now. I've been trying to get fuller. And progression has been pretty good. I did a lot of sets today, almost 30 sets for back. And things are looking good for the Mr. Olympia. I want to thank all the fan support out there, and of course musculardevelopment.com, Muscle Tech, of course my biggest sponsors. Energy Care, which are now available. This is the newest thing. Now we're using our training for strength and recovery. These are called Energy Care bands, which you've seen a lot of bands, but this is the leading brand in the market now, showing significant progress as far as strength, training a lot heavier than normal. We want to thank all the sponsors on the page, the front page, jcutler.com, fightcapital.com, Health Choice One, the insurance advertising. We want to thank you guys. We want to thank the fans, man. We're going to keep these videos coming now up to the Olympia. I'll be covered up a little bit more now as I progress to show a little less, because I want to show the element of surprise when I come in September. So thank you guys for watching Swole Monkey Productions, jcutler.com. And of course, here we are in Vegas, man. I'm staying home until the show, so we'll all see you guys in 10 weeks along the way. Thanks.